love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell
Good
it
morning
out
guys,
for you?
Ben here, and welcome back to another vlog. Now today's vlog is going to be quite a bit different because today will be the unboxing and review video that I put on my channel of the new Boosted S. Now it hasn't arrived yet. Right now I'm just setting up all of my equipment, but why don't we get everything set up and I show you a little behind the scenes of how I make my YouTube videos. So let's go. In making my videos, the first thing that I always do is set up all of the equipment before the product arrives. That way all I have to do is when the product arrives, in this case the new Boosted board, I just plop it on the table, hit record on the cameras, turn on the lights, and then start rolling. Now the board hasn't arrived yet. I think it's about to arrive any minute, so why don't we get started with the whole unboxing.
Looking insane, here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be
Alrighty, I just finished the unboxing of this brand new Boosted board. As you can see right here, this thing looks pretty awesome. Now for the rest of the video, in order to kind of get what I need, later tonight I film the actual voiceover. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna film some B-roll of the board and then hit up one of my friends who's here in Livingston, and we're gonna go riding together so I can get some footage of the board in use. So first, let's get some B-roll. Alright, this thing is awesome. I'm loving riding this. Honestly, I did not think this was going to be as good as my big Boosted board. I thought it would be uncomfortable to ride. It's actually really good. I'm going to finish up grabbing some footage of this, head back inside, and then I think we're meeting up with Ryan. Alright. Alright, I'm back from the inaugural ride of the Boosted Mini S. And I've got to say that this thing is really, really awesome. Now, I don't want to be the only one to say this. I'm going to go bring it to my friend Ryan, see what he thinks, and also grab some footage from him for the whole review video that I am making. That video has probably come out 2 days ago, so I think I'll post this vlog after I actually make the whole review video. But just my initial impressions of this board, this thing is phenomenal. Alright, let's go catch up with Ryan. So you've never ridden a Boosted board though? Nope. Just get used to kicking up the front end a little bit. Try turning to the right. Use your heels.
Slowly accelerate. Whoa! Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Alright.
Alright, we are done filming the whole B-roll section of this sort of unboxing and review. Got all the B-roll I need. Now it's time to record the whole voiceover where I talk about the review, and then video's done. Then it's just edited and uploaded to YouTube. So let's film the voiceover. That is it. We are done. video is over. That is the behind the scenes of this whole Boosted Mini S unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes video. Thank you for watching. If you did, please hit that like button and also comment down below letting me know what you thought. Also, stay tuned because I have another video coming out very soon. I'm trying to keep up with this new schedule. So yeah, anyway, thanks, subscribe, and peace out.